We'll guide you through how to block adult sites on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If a younger person uses an iPhone, you want to go and have them protected from adult sites. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and block them. We're going to guide you through different ways this can be done. In case you don't like one of the ways, you can go and use the other. For the first way, what we're going to do is go and open up the settings like so. Now what you want to do is go and scroll down, and we're going to go and use the content and privacy restrictions. This is using the screen time settings. If you don't like this way, or you've maybe tried before, we've got another way you can try, but this is a really great way. So come into screen time, scroll down, and you want to go and find lock screen time settings. Set a passcode just so only you can go and change the setting here. You can then go and enter in your Apple ID so you can reset it. I've now set that up, and then what you can do is press content and privacy restrictions and switch this on. Enter in the passcode you just set. Now come into App Store, Media, Web and Games. You can then go down to Web Content and you can select Limit Adult Websites like so. The second way you can do this is you need to come back to the main settings as we currently are. Come to your Wi-Fi, find the Wi-Fi network and press I to the right. Scroll down, find the option for DNS and press Configure, and you want to go and set Manual. Go and remove these ones currently here. Press Add Server, and you then want to go and type in 1.1.1.3. Then you can go and press Save, and that's it. It should now go and be blocked.